Shut up, shut up, shut up!
Oh, come on!
Finn! Who are you talking to?
Emmett, the head of the Tailor Guild's daughter! If you become her friend, you'll get free pants!
Free pants!
Hey!
Hi, Emmett.